go. Yes, linked list.
Yes. Linked list means in array,
Sorry,
for
sorry. One
example,
more sorry, last doubt.
yeah.
If we create an object for the array list to call those methods of array list, then it will also have the methods of the list collections, right? It will also call
List,
the list
yes,
collection
yes.
methods also, right?
List is not a class. List interface.
Sorry, list interface. Okay. I mean, that was
Yes, that list methods will be implemented in array list class.
okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
this
we
list
have
contains
to
some
implement.
methods.
Yes, in the
This
list.
interface, no? So
Yes.
this list methods will be implemented in array list class.
Okay.
The
Okay.
chain. I will explain this diagram at the end. Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
In linked list, actually, our array will be stored in particular address. Like, for example, if you take 2000, 2000 is the heap memory. Like at the heap memory, we have some addresses, no, like pointers. That for list, for example, this array will be stored at 2001. Like it will be started at 2000. Next element will be stored at 2000. For example, it is a integer type. It occupies 4 bytes. Like it may be next to 2004, 2008. Like sequentially, it's allocated the memory. Don't confuse. It's this is the index of the array. This is the heap memory address. Okay. I will show you. It's a heap memory address.
Which one?
Normally in arrays or linked list, array list, we have to store our data in a particular address. Okay, we can call it as a pointers also. Here address is allocated sequentially. Next memory will be allocated for next element. I will say because this thing will be involved in a linked list. This is related to linked list. For example, if you want to store one element, okay, one element. For example, if you want to store 5 elements, these 5 elements are not stored sequentially. Randomly, it's allocated the memory. Like it may be it's 2000 heap memory. Like it's maybe a 2000. It may be a 1001. Randomly, it's allocated the memory. Okay.
You mean to say if we use this linked list, it automatically
Yes.
randomly try to allocate the memory. But for
Yes.
array list, it'll when the array list will give the memory to allocate, right, to heap.
If you if first element is stored in particular location, then next address will be allocated for next element. But in linked list, the memory is not allocated sequentially. It allocated randomly. In our memory, the elements in different locations. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if we consider this entire thing is in one memory, the array will be stored like this 2000. I mean sequentially. Okay. Remaining remaining linked list will be stored in different location. These locations will be linked one on one. Like for example, you are storing first element as 1 in linked list. This is the data. What you want to store? Like not no. Every time we are storing integer only. Now we have to store Pramod. Okay, like strings like Ram, Achan. Like we can store string values like that. Okay, Samshruti. Okay, like that. There is no link between these 5 items. Okay, the 5 strings, there is no link, because this is
Okay.
stored in different location, this stored in different location, like different locations the elements will be stored. But in array, sequentially allocated. For example, if you can cache 2000, then you can go automatically to the next location. Okay,
Okay.
no need to no need to maintain next location address. We can get
So you mean to say
first.
location? You mean are you referring to index?
No, index is the difference, this address will be the different. Okay,
Okay.
that's why I'm clearly mentioned 2000 and 0 also. Okay,
Okay. So 2000 is the location of that particular memory, is it?
yes. Index is different, address is the different. Index is different, address is the different. Okay,
Okay.
we can call it as pointer also. Address we can call it as a pointer also.
Index is the ID of an array, and address is the ID of an data. I think so. That is
Yeah,
right.
yes, exactly.
Yeah.
It's clear. Okay, so for example, I am entering Pramod is the first element. Next, I am entered Archan. Then for going to Archan, I want to maintain this 3034 address in 2000 location. Okay, so I have to maintain one more box. In this box, I want to maintain next element address 3034. Okay, this is the data, this is the address of the next element, next node. We can call it these 2 items like data and pointer. Combinedly, we can call it as one node. Okay, I will show you in Google.
Okay, a node consists of a one ID of a next array pointer of the data, and data of a data memory of an array, particular array memory.
Yeah, here we have to call it as a list. No, don't call it as array. Okay, it's a
Okay,
list of items. Okay, list of items will be stored in different locations. So we have to connect that items through pointers. Okay, pointer means address of the next element. So we have to maintain particular addresses to maintain the connectivity between list items. For example, here we have to see, here is the data. Okay, next box we can store the next element address. So each box we can call it as a node. You got the point?
Yeah. So you mean to say every node
got
will
it.
have a next what do you call, next element's address?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. In this, here data will be stored. What you want to store, that can be stored here, data. Okay, here pointer of the next pointer of the next node. Okay, next node or item, we can say any, we can call it as
Then what about the
pointer of
first?
the next.
I'm sorry. Then what about the first one? First index data and code.
This entire thing will call it as a node. Okay. In this node, we have data and pointer of the next node. Is it clear?
Right.
Okay. Same thing will happen in next node also. Okay. Here the data and pointer of the next location. Here also data and pointer of the next location. This is the next location. No, next item is this one. So this address will be stored here. Okay. At the end location, there is no next element. So here null will be stored. Empty. Null means empty. Here data will be stored. Is it clear?
Yeah.
This is the node 1, node 2, node 3. This is the node 4. First node, we can call it as a header. Okay, starting point. Ending node will be called it as a tail node. Header and tailer. Clear?
Okay. So
Okay.
you said that list will allow nulls, right? You're talking only about data there, right? Data can be null, but the next position will be null, meaning that's a tail one, tail node.
Yes. Null here null because there is no element further.
Further.
That's why we can store it as a here we can give null. If you want to delete particular element, for example, I don't want this node. Okay. I mean, I want to delete this this third one. Okay. What will happen? This data, this node pointer will be connected to this one. Here we have to, in this location, we have to change the address as this node. We have to replace this node address here. Clear? Simply, we can change the link pointer only. No need to delete this entire data like that. Just to change the pointer. We skip this node and connect it to next element. Like this is the one node, this is the one node, this is the one node, like this is another node. Connected. I want to delete this one. Okay. Then simply I connected to this one. Previously the connection is like this. Connection means this node address will be stored here. This node address will be stored here. Now I want to replace here the address of this node. That's it. Simply we are deleting this element. I will show you in Google Maps. Here. In linked list, if you want to delete a particular node, then no need to delete the entire data. Simply we can change the pointer. That's it. Is it clear? Is there any clarification? I mean, is there any doubt?
No, maybe we'll try. Then we'll see.
Try. Okay. Once you understood the, I mean, single linked list, then only we can go to double linked list and circular linked list. You got the point, this one? I mean, like address, pointer, node, you got the points?
Yeah, I got it, that one. Again, we have the multi-linked list and circle linked list. Huh?
No, no multi. It's a single, double, and circular.
Sorry, single. Single we have done. Again, we have double linked list, circle linked list. Huh?
Yes, double, single, and circular. Okay, circular means this
This will make it.
interlink. At the node location, we have to store the header pointer. Then,
So there is no
I
tail,
mean,
first of all.
this pointer. Huh?
There will no
There is no
There
tail,
will be no null.
tail
There
node.
will be no null.
This is the tail node, no? This is
No,
the
in
end
circular,
node.
in circular.
In circle, we don't have a null
Okay,
pointer, right?
yes, yes. There is no header also.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. At this position, it stores the header pointer. Then entire thing will be interlinked. Okay, this is the circular linked list. Is
Okay.
it clear?
Yeah,
Clear.
kind of.
Pramod, you got it?
It's clear. Yes, sir.
Pramod,
Here
you got
in
it?
single linked list.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, I'll
And
try.
if you got it, then you will explain.
Okay.
Yeah.
And double linked list means here only forward direction only, no?
Hey,
The next
Sonam,
location.
can you? Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe we'll just connect via.
One show. Do
by
we have
having
a,
the
do we have a
example.
programs? Sonam, do we have any programs on this? Just show me once.
Now I don't have because I'm changed my Eclipse. Actually, my
Okay.
all settings are changed. That's why I got the errors for these things. This is the older programs actually.
Okay.
So
Or
I
if you have
tried.
the program, come up and share it. We'll run it in our system.
Okay,
Just to
sure.
understand.
I think the program is available in Google only. I think I'm also
Okay, fine. Let me find it.
same program. I think not exactly.
Okay,
Remember.
Sonam, will you share that link which you have displaying?
It's a
You want a
J
video?
unit and it's a J unit and W3 schools only.
No, that is previous one. Array list in which we discuss array list. We have some
This
coding
one.
It's a
for
T
array list.
point only.
Remove.
That is T point
No,
only.
no.
This
T point only.
T
In
point
T
only we
point we
have.
have simple coding, so better to go that one. We can understanding very easy.
Okay.
Okay. Double linked list means in single
We
list
have
only forward direction. We can go to next node only because we have a address of next element. Next node address only here available. Okay, address of next node, like that only forward direction, but we don't go to the backward direction. If you
Previous
are in this
direction.
location, if you are in this location, you
Okay.
are going to this node only. Node we are not allowing to go backward direction like this because here the address of this node is not available. That's why we are not allowed to go backward direction. We can go only this direction only. So this is the single linked list, like forward direction only. But in double linked list, we have to maintain previous node address also. Here we have to maintain one more pointer. This pointer will represents this node. Okay, backward direction.
Okay. In the middle section, we will store data, and we have two pointers in the right and the left side.
Yes, that's it. Previous node address. Data. Next node address. Clear? At the header position, at the header position, there is no previous node, no? So here null is stored. At this location, null is available. Here next node address.
okay. In single one, you will have the null at the end, but in the double, in the front, you will have the null. I mean, in starting, you will have the null.
Yes. For in tail, the next node will be null. Next node, there is no next node, so this is the null. We have a previous node. So here, previous node address.
Sorry. You'll have the two nulls in the double linked list though. Okay.
Clear? Forward, backward. Are you understood this flow? Double linked list.
Actually, theoretically, it's really clear, but when coming to the program, I have to.
Programmatically, I think somewhat difficulty in linked list. Like
Normally,
we
for
can
me, it
use,
is difficult for the program. You are only telling that it's somewhat difficult. Means it's definitely difficult for me. Then.
I'm using
And
existing code only.
Sonam,
Yeah.
Sonam, and the last, where is the values null and a previous node? This index will is created automatically, or we have to generate that in while in coding.
Yeah, these previous node addresses will be generated automatically. We can
Okay.
get the address and use that address. That's it. We can get this node address, and we have to keep this address in this node next node address. Okay, we have to maintain this. I mean, we have to link up these addresses, but these addresses are not provided by us.
It will
It's
be
totally
provided by the
related.
stack memory, I think so. Stack memory or heap memory.
It's a heap
Heap
memory.
memory. Heap
Dynamical.
memory.
It's a
Those are the
dynamic
heap
memory, no? So it's
Okay,
generated
keep
heap memory.
Okay.
So we get that memory, we get that address ID, and we have to use where we have to link this address, like that. We have to use in our logics.
Because we are calling a data set from the interfaces, that is why it's storing in the heap memory.
Yeah. I found that. Okay. Is
Pramod,
it
it's too
clear? Double linked
complicated.
list.
No worries, boss. We'll see. Once we start doing things, maybe we'll get to know.
Yes.
The concept is clear, but
Yeah.
the
Yes.
This is
point
the
here is
basic
that we
concept.
need to understand when to use what. Why should we use it?
And how should we use it in Eclipse?
How? That is different part. But why should we use these things?
Comparatively, in compared to array list, linked list is very faster. Okay, so but array list is very easy to understand. Its coding also very easy. That's why everyone is used array list only. But comparatively, linked list is very faster, but coding wise somewhat difficult to understand. That's why we are using array list only.
Okay. All right.
Sonam, as we store in the first section, please share that screen.
Which one tutorial computing?
Paint.
Yeah, this one.
No, paint. On which you
Paint.
have
Okay.
created diagram. Okay, this. I am asking about this for the linked list. In first section we have null and we have some data. That is null. There is no any data. And next node. Okay. Previous node address and the next node. Okay, it will refer the next node address from null. Okay, previous node address data. Okay, while performing in Eclipse, then the doubt will be clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, this is the logic we have to implement in your logics. I mean, if you want to display, then how it will display. If you want to add, how you will add, like that. Some already available, that code is available in Google also. You have to try to understand that code, then you can easily get this logic.
Okay.
Okay, can I go to next topic?
Maybe what I feel is that we'll go practice this
It's
first.
more. It's more than enough. No, go for next topic.
We'll practice this first. Okay, I think
Okay.
the next topic should not override this one.
Okay.
That's what I
Once
feel.
once go through this space, that's it. There is no more than topics. Just what is the heap? You can easily understand these points. Actually, this linked list and array list, I mean, single linked list, double linked list implementation is not available in W3 schools and JPoint also.
Okay.
Okay, you got this code like. Single linked list implementation code. You have to go. Sorry. When you observe in the W3 schools, there is no difference between array list and the linked list. Same coding, same, everything will be same, but only the difference is naming only. Here, once observed here. This is the linked list, okay? Same
Okay.
linked list. AL is equal to new linked list. Here it's created the object for linked list class. Okay, directly it's uses the add method. That's it.
Yeah, maybe we need to see that
There
Naveen
is
Reddy's
no,
classes.
yeah, in this page there is they are not showing the internal logic. Okay, the pointers, everything, they are not implemented at that pace. Yeah, this one is very clear. You observe this one.
Yeah.
This is the data. This is the pointer. Data pointer. Okay. Yeah. This is the code for single linked list.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let us walk through this.
This type of code is not available in W3 schools. Directly, we have to go any web page like single linked list implementation code. Okay. Then you got some code for single linked list as well as double linked list also.
Sonam, can you paste this one once? Link
Okay.
in WhatsApp or any. Okay, here it's.
I will copy in. I'm copied in chart only. This chart.
Okay.
Zoom chart. Okay.
All right, Sonam. Thank you. We'll just go work through this, and if in case any doubts will
Yeah,
come.
just a minute. I think Krish will ask a hash set also. Hash set also very similar to array list, same logic.
No, only
Just
for every two only. Array list and linked list only. Not.
No. He also said to know about three things.
yeah, same hash set, but here there is no index. Okay, indexes are not available here because they are randomly stored. This data. Okay.
Okay.
You get the output like here Ravi, Vijay, Ravi, Ajay, like that. Here data is available, no? The outcome will be like this.
But there is no duplicacy in the hash list, right?
Yes, that's why it is not printing Ravi 2 times. It's showing only 1 time Ravi.
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Vijay is the second. We are entered Vijay in the second time. I mean, second item, but it's
I want
showing
to.
Vijay as a
And
first.
Sonam here in Sonam here I want to know that which Ravi was given output like first one or third one? How can I know that? If I want to know that,
You can't predict
I
that
want to know
code.
that
That will be,
which Ravi
yeah,
of the
that will
address.
be happen through hash algorithm.
Okay.
Okay, randomly it's given the name. Like another time you want to run this code, it's give the Ajay, Ravi, Vijay also, like that. Okay.
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 Because if we know that
like random method.
if we have the thousands
Yeah.
of data, if we have the duplicates of in 10 in that, I want to know that which of the data has I mean which data of the have given
Duplicate
that I
means
want to know.
everything will be same. No, so how can you differentiate the data?
But there is
Duplicate
also
means
have the address of the data, right? I want to know the which address of the data has printed. Just I want to know that.
Sai, try Sai. You try. Let us figure out.
here we
Okay,
are
okay.
not giving any
We are
indexes.
not
So
even started, writing this code, a single line of code of a hash set.
Okay,
You are
okay,
going to
okay,
logic and asking what is the address of and why it is not coming. No, man, it's
okay,
long.
okay, okay,
It's still
okay,
far to go.
okay, cool.
once you go through this page, you can got the entire basic concepts. Okay, basic concept of every hash set, sorted hash set, like every step they are explained. But only one thing, single linked list, double linked list implementation is not available in this page. That's it's remaining all the thing is available in this page. So you just go through with this page and just understand, try to understand this iteration, hierarchy.
Okay.
That's
Prabodh,
that is the that's
put
enough
these
for
videos in
collections.
the drive, please. Once
Yeah,
again.
part one is already uploaded. You can see
Okay, thank you.
collections part one by Sonam.
Okay.
Second one, once
Okay,
you
okay.
disconnect this call, I'll try to upload this.
Okay, sure. Thank you, thank you. I'm leaving right now. Okay. Bye all. Thank you, Sonam.
Bye. Yeah.
Okay, Sai.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
Bye,
thank
bye,
you, Sonam.
everyone.
Thank you, Sonam. We'll get
Thanks,
back to you.
Sonam.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Sonam.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye, Pramod.
Bye bye.